Have you ever had a dream that felt more real than reality? A dream so vivid that when you wake up, you couldn't stop thinking about it for the rest of the day. A few nights ago, I experienced something that touched my heart deeply. I dreamed about my mother. My mother has already passed away, but in my dream, she was there as if nothing had changed. We were inside the house. Everything felt normal. Everything felt real. I remember being in a room, and my mother was there with me. Then she told me that she was about to go outside. It seems like she was preparing to leave, and then something happened that caught me completely off guard. Before leaving, she looked at me and said, "I love you." Those three simple words, "I love you." To many people, those words may sound ordinary, but for me, they were not. Because in real life, my mother was never the type of person who would openly say those words. She loved us. We know that. We felt it through her actions, sacrifice, and care. But we were not a family that constantly expresses affection through words. There were no frequent hugs, no dramatic speeches, no daily "I love you." Yet somehow, we always knew. And that's why hearing those words in my dream felt so powerful. I felt different. I felt important. For a moment, I simply looked at her. Then I remembered something. In real life, I had recently bought a bottle of Panawan. I had purchased it with good intentions, but I never opened it. I kept telling myself that I would use it later, tomorrow, next week, when the time was better. So in my dream, I showed it to my mother. I remember her looking at it as and asking me, "Why are you only showing this now?" That question stayed with me. What? Why now? Why only now? Instead of leaving, she stayed. She drank it, and somehow her planned departure was interrupted. The dream continued peacefully. Then I woke up. As I sat there, thinking about it, I started asking myself questions. Was it simply a dream? Was it just my mind remembering someone I love? Was it grief? Was it memory? Or was there something deeper that I needed to learn? The more I reflected on it, the more I realized that maybe this dream was not only about my mother. Maybe it was also about the things we keep postponing in life. How many dreams we how many dreams do we leave unopened? How many opportunities do we keep on the shelf? How many talents do we hide because we think the time isn't right yet? How many plans remain untouched because we're waiting for the perfect moment? Sometimes we say, "I'll start next month. I'll do it next year. I'm not ready yet." And before we realize it, years have passed. For me, that unopened bottle in my dream became a symbol of things that are available to us right now but remain unused. Dreams, talents, ideas, healing, faith, second chances. Maybe we are waiting too long. Maybe we are holding on too tightly. Maybe some things are meant to be opened today. One thing I know for sure is that when I woke up, I felt comfort. No fear, no anxiety. One thing I know for sure is that when I woke up, I felt comfort. Not fear, not anxiety. Comfort, peace, and love. The kind of love that remains even when someone is no longer physically present. The kind of love that never completely leaves us. If you've lost someone you love, maybe you understand what I mean. Sometimes they keep appearing in our memories, sometimes in our thoughts, and sometimes in our dreams. I don't claim to know exactly what every dream means, but I do believe that some dreams make us pause and reflect on our lives. This was one of those dreams for me. And maybe, just maybe, there is something in your life that you've been keeping an open to. A dream, a goal, a gift, a calling, a new beginning. Whatever it is, perhaps this is your reminder not to wait forever. Some doors are meant to be opened, some gifts are meant to be used, and some dreams are meant to be lived. If this story resonates with you, let me know in the comments. Have you ever dreamed about someone you love? Have you ever received a message from a dream that stayed with you long after waking up? I'd love to hear your story, and remember, your story is not over yet. God bless you.